Quant just broke a crucial support level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another quant analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. As you guys can see on Quant, we have officially broken that 112 support level, which was a very crucial level for the bulls. I mentioned this to you guys before. Yesterday, we were seeing these sort of bullish engulfing candles and these bearish engulfing candles, and this was a sense of consolidation. What we were looking for from the bullish case scenario, of course, was that support level at 120 being tested and then that continuation higher. But as of right now, you can see that Quant tried to break above those exponential moving averages. We actually rejected quite well on the 4-hour time frames. We did get a few wicks above, but failed to break above that 20 exponential moving average and are now seeing that break of that formation. You can see the support level was tested multiple times, and you guys already knew that the more times a support level is tested, the more chances of it breaking. We saw a beautiful break of that formation, retest as resistance, and now we're seeing that same continuation to the downside. This 112 level did have a 3-test confirmation as well, and you can see now we have a clean break of this formation. So the next support level we would be looking for is going to be around the $99 mark. Of course, if things do capitulate and we do see a move to the downside, then we can possibly be looking also the $87 mark, which is going to act as a very strong support level for Quant as well. Of course, this doesn't mean that the bullish case is necessarily over. As long as we don't break below these support levels here around the 110, we can definitely be looking for a fake out situation and then another continuation. But we have to be careful because of the fact that it is the weekend and there is a huge lack of liquidity as of right now. On the hourly time frames, you can see that Quant has broken that level as well. We did test that level here on the hourly multiple times. You can see we tried to consolidate in between those ranges. We did get a few fake out situations, but as of right now, we do have a beautiful doji candle formed on the hourly and that bearish engulfing candle, showing the fact that the continuation is definitely there. So this is the level we kind of have to look for, is around the 110 mark. Of course, in the worst case scenario of a fake out, we could definitely see a retest around this low at 105, which we have to be very, very careful about, because on the hourly, you can see we actually tested that level 4 times before we had a nice bullish engulfing candle. The only difference was, of course, was the fact that on the hourly, we were in extreme oversold conditions because of the fact that we had this massive capitulation to the downside. Ideally, now we do have a lot more leg room to go down before we get to the oversold area, which is why I'm pushing towards that $99 overall. Now, on Quant, on the daily time frames, I do want to talk about something that a lot of people seem to be missing. Right now, we are going to be testing that $99 mark, but there is something to note. This would become the third test on the daily time frame. You can see that we actually tested this level once, twice, and then that continuation upwards, right? Now this level is going to be tested for the third time, which is why I'm leaning towards a more capitulation level, and in extreme cases at 87. My overall level, as long as we continue to capitulate on Bitcoin, is going to still be that $42 mark. And for those of you that are new, the reason why I'm aiming for that $42 is you can see Quant actually tested that level many times before we finally saw the massive bull run on Quant. Looking at Quant over here in May and June, you can see that we actually had a beautiful pullback opportunity before we saw the bull run. We had Quant break above the support level, retest it as support, and then that continuation, right? This usually indicates a strong formation for Quant, which is why in a bearish case scenario, we tend to form that magnet, right? We have this support level act as that very strong magnet and that crucial level. So looking at the daily time frame right now, even if we just look at it from this perspective, we can see that once we had this massive BART formation start on Quant on the daily time frame, we should be entering to take our profits around the bottom of that. And the bottom of that BART formation, of course, is going to be around that $99 mark. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. And I hope you guys have it.